We're live. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Running a couple minutes behind. Oh, yes. Got the market opening in 10 minutes. Stop sharing my screen for a second. I gotta get logged in here. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, here's the 1 minute chart. Here we go. There we go. Let's start this live, Had to make a quick trip to Dollar General real quick before the market opened. It was a couple minutes late. They opened at 8 a.m. Central Time. So I got there just in time. So market got down a little bit since yesterday's close.
Can you show the VWAP settings again? No. I'm not showing them again. I literally just said I will not show them again. Patrick, you gonna go to the boat show? Yeah, I'm gonna go to the boat show probably.
Market closed up there at the 520s. The 520s.
Did you made your teeth?
Currently at the 400s.
I make my teeth. Have you ever thought about trading without payments? I'm not wearing any
VWAP at 431, price at 402 right now. We got a pivot point at 390.
No pants at all.
And a pivot point at 472.
You guys can only see from my waist down. There are no pants on. I'm wearing a G-string. All right. 7 minutes here. 7 minutes till market opens. The rest, everything, this ES. Filled out again. But they're the 520s. So looks pretty good, baby.
Yeah. Hope everybody had a good Monday yesterday. I got the stove on. About to cook a couple eggs real quick.
I need more moderators in the chat. Who's somebody that wants to moderate the chat and delete this dumb stuff people post? I need a moderator. What do we got? Who's somebody out here who is here every day? That should be a moderator. Anybody want Is it? After that stock runs or goes in. I know what that means. What does that mean? The view up. Alright, so the view up is a yellow line right there. See it? If I get a line, let's see what happens. Right now, we're not going to pivot line. Insurance, you get a price based on these drivers.
Just cooking some eggs real quick. Sorry. Cooking some eggs real quick. Cooking some breakfast.
Tyler, your 7-year-old daughter.
All right, market opening in 1 minute. We got the eggs just in time. Got the food. Got to have the food in your stomach. Don't trade on an empty stomach. You know. Already kind of ripping up. Not ripping, but kind of have this bull flag ready to open. Well, there it goes. Kind of, I don't want to say we missed it, but I'm not taking that now that it already kind of broke out there. Let's see what happens at VWAP. We don't want to go long right below VWAP if we didn't get in for this good entry down here. So there's going to be other opportunities, other setups. Usually we don't take our first trade until 10 a.m. anyway. Wait for the first 15-minute range to show. Market's kind of pushing back down right there. Did a little pump up just to come right back down. So I'm glad we didn't get long up here because we would have got stopped out, you know, right here with 10-point stop or down here with a 15-point stop. So just kind of being patient, waiting to see what happens here. Waiting to see. We're not predicting. We're reacting.
Which way is she gonna go?
Exactly. We don't really have any big news coming out today. 30 minutes. We got European Union. I don't know how that works. That doesn't affect us. So we got a speech. That's really it. So no big news. Just kind of sitting back, being patient. Had a green day yesterday. I'm going to try to keep that momentum go throughout the rest of the week this week. Other news on Friday, I'm moving. No more 10 acres in East Texas. We're still going to be in the RV, but we're going down to South Texas, down to the Corpus Christi area. I'll be 3 hours away from South Padre, which is a beautiful area, nice beaches and stuff like that down there. So we'll be near the water. I'll be about a 40-minute drive from the beach where I'm going to stay. I'm staying on a lake. So we'll have a lake, all kinds of stuff like that. So about a 50-point range so far this morning for the 15-minute opening range. So far. We'll see what happens today. Today's low 369, high 417. Just kind of, just kind of waiting and seeing. Chopping around, pushing above, below, above. You know what I mean? There's the 15-minute chart. Here's a 2-minute. Here's the yes. There's VWAP at 425. VWAP's right up here in this area up here. Yeah, we got to get up here and then bull flag and then shoot up to the 472. Pivot point up here at 472. First 5 minutes, doji candle a little bit down here. Big wick. Got to get through that VWAP before we're considering getting long. Kind of got this area over here that was resistance to this 443 area, or 444. Yeah, you don't want to get long in this area right below VWAP because VWAP's acting as resistance right now. It kind of has to push up above VWAP and then do like this and then go up to this pivot point maybe up here. You know what I mean? Kind of has to do one of those.
Load it up, baby.
Kind of has to do one of those first.
Alrighty, Nasdaq. What to do? Pivot point coming up there. Well, pivot point here, the 473s. NVIDIA trying to push to fill that gap. NVIDIA looking bullish here. Can it go? Take the net. Chart right here. Look at this. Just right there below the VWAP for now. Still got about 5.
They like drew on each time frame, and then didn't delete on all of them. Ooh, pushed above VWAP a little bit there. There we go. Could have taken a little scalp right here, I guess. Boom. Kind of came down almost to this way. Still got 5 minutes in the opening 15-minute range here. This is the one. Every time I go to this screen, this is the 1 minute chart. Kind of bull flagging again though. Above VWAP. Kind of got resistance over here though in this area up here. So got to be careful. Yeah, I don't like it up there. It could just rip straight up. Just kind of got this area. It's got to get above this area. And it's going. There she goes. Kind of. There she goes, kind of. Damn. Got that pivot up there at 472. Well, could have got in at the 32s. Would have been done for the day. Right there. There it is. Kind of missed it. Could have got long right here. Still no trades for the day. No trades, no trades. Just being patient. Market did push up above those previous highs over here. Kind of bull flagged above VWAP. Could have got long. Maybe here at the 35s. Now the market's pushing up to 58. Over 20 points. First 15 minutes closing and 5 seconds. And the low is 369.50. don't want to get long right below this pivot too. Pushing up to this 472 pivot. 472 pivot. If we can bull flag above this, we got the gap fill up there at the 5 something. Where's the gap fill? Gap fill up at 493. 520. Gap fill's way up here. 520s. See if we can get a bull flag above this pivot. Well, this was a nice breakout right here, obviously. Pushed above the 15-minute opening range a little bit. Got above this pivot point and started pushing back down. See if we can close above this pivot or bull flag up here and continue up to the gap fill at 520. Maybe we can get a little long. Kind of missed this bull flag. That's all right. It's okay. Over 40 points. Kind of missed this bull flag. That's all right. We got 10 a.m. coming up in 11 minutes. Most of our winning trades happen between 10 and 11 a.m. Nasdaq struggling to push up through this pivot point, coming back down into the 15-minute opening range. Coming back down into the 15-minute opening range.
Do you really think that I sit here and do cocaine? You know, like, fuck you. You know what I mean? Like, come say to my face, you piece of shit. You know, like,
Coming back down into the 15-minute opening range.
Fucking Oxycontin is. My Lambo is rented. Yes, it's all everything. Go fuck yourself. My girlfriend, yeah, I pay for my girl. Like, come on. Every day it's some new fucking theory. Patrick, trade. Nasdaq, come back here into the VWAP now. We've got that pivot point right there at the 470 as resistance. We have not filled the gap here yet. I'm watching it in video right now. This was resistance.
Ooh. Ooh.
As well. Right off the view up there. Yeah, no, Lord. Oh, Jimmy.
Gonna try a little long here. Got kind of breaking back up above this 60 area. Got the gap fill up there at the 520s. The 520s. So you're gonna get this push on up and out. Push on up and out. Let's go. Get this push on up and out. All right, getting rejected there. Taking our first loss for the day. 15 micros. Taking a little loss there. What are you gonna do? 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 we're not going to jump into another trade for a little bit now. Tried our first one there on a long. Where do we get in? We got in right here at 63. Jumped out at 53 when it didn't get that continuation. Let's close out of that. Short there.
In the crude oil.
I got long. Yeah, that was a bad move. We got long right below this pivot point at right here. You don't go long right below pivot. Just like we didn't want to get long right below VWAP. You don't want to get long right below pivot. So that was silly to do that. I know better than that. Wasn't looking at the 2-minute chart. I was only looking at the 1-minute chart. So we can put got long below pivot point. What the hell, dude? That's crazy. This was kind of where we wanted to get in, I guess. Up here. I just don't want to go long right under this pivot. That was more of the bull flag right there.
Extremely accurate tracking a 1-second chart.
Oh man.
cleanly even pulled away.
Should have got in long here. Should have got long here. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. There's a 1 second chart. Oh, there's a 1 second chart. What the hell, dude? Dude, that's where we should have got long right there. We got long at the top. You know, what are you gonna do? These are the waves. These are the waves. Waves. Like, this was a clean breakout right here. Coming back into the 15-minute opening range again. Kind of missed this breakout, One at 842 and 854.
Let's go. Look what's happening right here. See what
Here's the 1 hour chart. All right, we just closed out a little winning trade there. Oh, I should have stayed in that trade longer. Should have let that play out. Damn it. Well, we got it. $382. Damn. That trade pushed straight the fuck up right after that. Look at that. I closed it out manually for it to push all the way up to 506. Dang. Only grabbed about 13 points there. Oh my gosh. That's crazy, dude. Like it pushed all the way up to 516, and I closed it out manually. I moved my stop to past break even. Did a little pullback. I just wanted to grab profits. We closed it out, 15 micros, and then it pushed all the way up to here. Like I should have just let it hit my stop loss up there. So I'm not complaining about a win. A win's a win. $382. Little 1-to-1. We risked 300 to make 382. We're back in the green for the day. You know, it is what it is. We don't have to take a third trade, but you know, we made a couple mistakes today, and like we might want to just count our blessings.
I don't even know. It's hilarious.
You know.
Oh.
Man, we could have grabbed so much more profit on that. We would have just stuck to our, you know.
Don't even need this is. What do you want? I don't even.
We're up $55 on the day.
We don't make too much money. Whatever you do, don't make too much, because if you make too much, they're gonna ban me. Right? Oh my gosh. Please, everybody, relax. Don't make too much money.
Yeah, we should have pulled that thing out like up here, dude. 509. We would have been done for the day. One trade. It's all good. Still pushing. Still pushing.
Everybody, please, just don't make too much, you know? Don't ruin it for everybody. No, don't ruin it, please. Well,
fill the gap exactly at 520. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. After that, it's like I almost just want to close it down. Only $50 green day. But it's another green day. But I messed up. Even though we're green on the day, we won our trade. I messed up. Like I got long up here. Should have got long down here. Could have got long here. Had that breakout and then didn't let this trade play out all the way. I closed it out in the green, but only for $382. Should have had her take profit up here more. So yeah. Yeah, you're about 5 minutes late. Oh shoot. Man, oh man, what a morning. Just like that. That's how fast that all happens. It's cold in here a little bit. man, that push was beautiful. Beautiful, and I just closed out. I don't know why. I just closed out. Well, you guys saw it there live on YouTube. We got this kind of break above the pivot. We got in at 10:05 a.m. if you're on the East Coast. So we got in at 73. Right above the pivot there. Right above the pivot. Kind of pulled down, and then shot up. 73 down to 67. We were close to our stop there. Maybe got in a little bit early on that candle. Maybe should have waited for this candle to close first and then got on this one. But that was quick, all in 1 minute. That whole trade was would have been less than a minute. Quick trades recently.
What does the course include? Includes all the secrets.
We're green on the week. Up $469. Nothing too crazy. Yeah.
Index 90%. Yeah, so basically, very simple. I sent out an email. I didn't actually write the email, by the way. My people sent out an email basically saying that we're going to have 90% off for Apex on the stream. What happens? Don't blame me. I was ready. I was like, let's give a fucking 90% deal, baby. But the other influencers were not happy about that. So.
You guys are wondering what I'm doing.
I took the course, and it is important to teach more the entry points and especially the exit points. I want to know if traders took your money when you poop stop. What does that mean?
Just doing some dishes real quick since there's nothing to really do right now. We're just kind of sitting back and waiting for maybe another setup.
Just break out through this. Take out that over, like yesterday's high up into that.
We had kind of liquid.
Anyway, you have the whole time. We get it there. Well, yes, we got the markets. We're talking about shorts. There's no reason to get short here. Look at the HIPOTHETICAL.
Kind of wick right now. It's just 520 area.
Are you a dumb? How dumb could you be? You know what I mean? Like, how dumb could you possibly be? Look at this range here, people. Come on. You're going to tell me that you're going to short that open? Come on. Don't be silly now. I mean, we pretty much been here since October 9th. Think about it. Like, we've pretty much been in this range. Since October 9th. Really? Like, you're.
I don't know. I think we have to look at it as like we took 2 trades, a losing trade, a winning trade. We won more than we lost, but not by much because we kind of messed up. So, maybe that's it for the day. We got to wait till tomorrow for stuff like this to happen again because the market played out beautifully. The market didn't do anything wrong. I messed up executing. Look at these waves. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Like, you get long right here, you get long right here, you get long right here for that breakout above the pivot point. And instead, we got long up here, got stopped out, got long here, made money, but didn't let it play out enough. We only let it play out for 13 points. I mean, we risked 10 points, made 13. So, we made more than we were risking, which is good. So it wasn't a terrible trade, but could have been better. Could have been better. Could have targeted more points. So just pushed back into the 21 EMA on the 1 minute again. Yeah, we kind of had this resistance area here on Friday. Ding, 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 ding. And then, you know, so we pulled back up into that area right here. Up to there. You know what I mean? That was that's a resistance area kind of up here. So yeah, kind of have to like bull flag above here or something. Grab my water. Grab my water bottle. Just put in a lower low.
So always coming in there actually off the 21 and pivot point there. You know, watching that video right now. I want to see the video start to push up here. Video is kind of sitting back.
Yeah. This was the breakout you wanted right here. You got long at the 75s. Market pushed up over 40 points in 1 minute. This was the push right here. Oh yeah. Obviously. Closed above 21 EMA. This one, nice body on this candle. Kind of tried to push back and then continued. Closed up here, pulled back and then continued. Broke above the pivot. You know, you got long here. Just didn't let it play out long enough. Counts over in the green, 50,326. So we got to put our attention on what's positive here. You know, up almost over $400 on the week, winning most of our trades between yesterday and today. So, you know, really can't complain. Can't complain. But these green days are not what we're targeting. We're targeting larger green days than what we're having right now. But if you made a couple mistakes, that's why. And can't go backwards. You got to wait until the next day. You know, got to wait until the next day. So it didn't let trade play out. Pushed 40 points. Would have been a lot nicer if we let that trade play out for at least $600. We'd be up 300. Probably definitely shut it down for the day. It would have been a nice 1 to 2 trade. 40 points on 15 micro contracts. It's 1,200. Could have got a 1 to 3 there. Could have got a 1 to 3 on this trade. You know, risking 10 points. Get 30 points. It's pushed 40. Now it's just like, now we're like trying to make it happen, want it to happen. You can't do that. You gotta.
It just flipped right back to the bottom of that 5-minute needle. So really starts to pull back here. This could be the beginning to the end. This candle right now needs to basically start just pushing. This candle will.
Yeah, we gotta start closing above this 520 area. Nasdaq kind of chopping down, up, above the 15-minute opening range, above this pivot point, but below this resistance area at this 520 area. So We're going to take one more trade for the day. Kind of need to see it do this. Get in here long, you know. Otherwise, we're just kind of waiting. I don't like that. I don't like that trade. Mentor saying if it breaks above this 512 area might get a push up to 540s, but could be pushing the market down a little bit to get people to start selling, to set their stops here and then run through those stops and push up. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's like chopping on this 21 EMA too much. Short, below it, you know. Whereas look at it back here. We were above the 21 EMA for longs. Like here, here, here. Like we never really kind of came below that 21 EMA. We did a little bit just to push off of it. But now we're like pushing below it, closing below it, now pushing below again, like here. So I don't know. It's not the same as over here. So I don't know. If we don't see another setup in the next 25 minutes, we're going to probably close it down for the day. Another 25 minutes here. That'll put us at 11 a.m. Eastern time. You know? Then go for a little run after this. Go do some exercise. Get a run in. Do some cleaning around the property and the RV, getting it ready, getting it road ready. We're getting the RV road ready this week. Friday, heading on down to South Texas. Got a 6-hour drive to South Texas. We're going to be on a lake, 40 minutes from the beach. So, and about 3 hours from South Padre Island. Once we start getting some nice payouts here, might have to rent a fuel-efficient car for a day and take a drive to the beach. Because my truck ain't fuel-efficient, baby. You're getting like 11 miles per gallon right now. When I'm pulling the RV, I get like 7. So do the math on that. That's a lot of gas money. So I don't know. I think we missed our waves. I mean, we didn't miss them. We got a winning trade. We were green for the day, but the waves happened. I don't know what's up with my voice, but the waves happened, right? The session, I think, is over, right? So look at these pushes that open, right? Up, down. The market moves in waves, up, down, up, kind of chopped a little bit and then pushed up above pivot, got this nice break up, down, up, and now we're just kind of going sideways. So, you know, we might just have to put it in the books for the day. $55 green day. Hey, we didn't lose money. It's a green day. We're green on the week. We might just have to – that might be it for the day, you know? I don't know. Sometimes there's moves that come in about 10 minutes from now, which would be like 10:50. You know? That's the hourly chart. Yeah. We're not going to clock out yet. Still got another 18 minutes. Man, sorry for, I don't know what's going on, if I'm getting sick or if it's allergies, but we do have another 17 minutes to go here on the hourly chart. Where's your day? It looks like we're red for the day, but we're actually green. Gross P&L, 87 bucks. It counts every little partial too, as a, like on that first trade, it pulled me out twice to close it out. So it counted as 2 trades, but really we're 50-50 for the day. 1 win, 1 loss. We let our loss get cut off at like 300 bucks, which is the right amount, but we didn't let that winner ride long enough. And that's all right. It's okay. I don't know. VWAP sitting at 446. Market trying to push back towards the 15-minute opening range. There we go. There's the push to VWAP. I mean, not to VWAP, to the 15-minute. Getting there. You know, definitely not looking to go long anymore. Market pulling back. Market pulling back here. New 15-minute candle just started. Hourly. Oh, we had 2 good breakouts. So, you know, we had a breakout here and a breakout here. Right here and here. There's our 2 breakouts. Nasdaq pushing on the VWAP. Yeah, we might be done for the day. Just back up to the pivot point. Back up to that pivot point. Oh, you get above the 21 EMA again for that above that for that 80 break. I'm just ready to go for a walk. All right, Dad. I think all the moves happen, so we just gotta go for our walk. My dog's name is Remy.
Yes. I invented the open range. We never market open. I invented that. You know, I invented it. Every day, 9:30, when the market opens, after we invented it. I invented the open range. Every day.
Really now, like slowly getting closer in my face for the walk. Well, whatever. Made $55. Oh, there's that 80 break I was just talking about, maybe. To the 87s. Talks about getting long at 80. But I don't know. Closed above the 21 EMA. This pushes up to like 95. That would have been a nice 15-point break. Because we kind of had this. You know? Closed up to the 90s now. Yep. No, look at that. Too late. There we go. Pushing back up. Up to 93. Up to 94. Well, we talked about it. We talked about it, but we didn't get in. But look at that. I talked about if we get this 80 break right here. There's 80 right here. Right here. Up to 97. Almost 20 points. 20 points is right here. There it is. 20 points. You got to be kidding me. Look at that. It's pushing now. 503s. Well, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Well, no getting in now. But we literally talked about if we got this 80 break, it might push up. And yeah, it did. 80 up there to 503. So there was a nice push right there. There it was. Could have made $600 on that. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Well, that's all right. We never would have even been in drawdown on that trade. Just straight $600, 10 points. 80 right there to 500. 20 points. 20 points. $600, 15 micros. Well, all right, guys. That's it for today. Little green day. Small green day today. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Tomorrow's another day. That's it. All right. Peace out. Peace and love. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Later.